Hello, Byram Hills. I'm going to show you how to sign in with your Byram Hills account on a personal device. We'll be using a Mac computer for this video. So what you are going to do is to make sure you download and install the Google Chrome browser. And if you are already signed in with your personal account, you're going to select People at the top and select Add Person. And you're going to sign in with your Byram Hills account. Now when you see this message, please click on Link Data and click on Yes, I'm in. After you sign in successfully, your extensions will start to load. If you do not see them, please click on the puzzle piece to pin your extension. Now, if you want to go back to your personal account, please click on People at the top and click on your name.